Hello, this video is on finding the points of intersection of two curves or lines using technology, as shown here in the syllabus. To find the points of intersection of two curves or lines, we draw the graphs of the two curves or lines on the calculator and then use the technology of the calculator to locate the points. In part A of this question, we're asked to sketch the graphs of the two linear functions given. To draw the graphs on your calculator, from the main menu, select Graph. Type the first function into y1. So in this case it'll be 2, and then pressing the x variable button, plus 3.5. Enter the function by pressing Execute. Then type the second function into y2. So in our case that would be 0.5, pressing the x variable button, and then plus 7. Again, pressing Execute to enter the equation. Before you draw the graphs, it's a good idea to set up a standard window, and you can do this by pressing Shift F3 to view the window, and then pressing F3 again to select a standard window. Then press Exit followed by F6 to draw the graphs. Make a neat sketch of the graphs, labeling them clearly. In part B, we're asked to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two graphs. To do this, on your calculator, press F5, G-solve, followed by F5 again for the intersection. Write down the values correct to 3 significant figures, remembering to put the coordinates in brackets separated by a comma. So the coordinates of the point of intersection are 2.33, 8.17. In this question, we're asked to find the points of intersection of the two functions given. We can solve this problem graphically by drawing both graphs on the calculator. If I press Exit and scroll back up to y1 and enter the new equation, so pressing the x variable button followed by the squared button, plus 2, and pressing the x button again, and then subtracting 4. Entering that equation, and then doing the same for the second function. 2x subtract 1, and entering that one. Then pressing F6 to draw the graphs. You should make a neat, simple sketch of the graphs as your method. To find the first point of intersection, press F5 G-solve and F5 again for intersection, as we did before, making a note of the coordinates correct to 3 significant figures, as shown. To find the second point of intersection, simply press the right cursor on the calculator, and again make a note of the coordinates correct to 3 significant figures, and then state the coordinates of both points clearly, as shown. In this question, we're asked, how long will it take JC to save enough money to buy the car? Starting by drawing both graphs on the calculator, from the main menu, selecting Graph, and typing in both equations. So that's 8,500 multiplied by bracket 0.95, close bracket, to the power of, and then using the x variable to represent t. Entering that equation, and then for the second equation, 400, again using the x variable to represent t, plus 2000, and entering that equation. Pressing F6 to draw the graphs. As you can see, the graphs are not visible in the standard window. So pressing F2 for zoom, followed by F5 for auto, will make the graphs visible. As you can see, zoom auto doesn't alter the x-axis, but it adjusts the y-axis to make the graphs visible. As before, you should make a neat, simple sketch as your method. Then pressing F5 G-solve, followed by F5 again for the point of intersection. As x is representing time t, write down the x-coordinate correct to 3 significant figures. And then give a clear answer. So it takes JC 8.64 months to save enough money to buy the car. Note also that the price of the car has been significantly reduced over that time.